What's up, YouTube? So I found the lighting. I think I'm in the parking lot right now of my gym. Let's see. I don't y'all can see me. That's all that really matters, right? But in this video I'm going to talk to you guys about, let me put the window down so I'm gonna stick the camera out the window, honey, so that way I can extend my arm so it could be better. Is this better? That didn't really make a difference, did it? Okay. But this video is gonna be about how to motivate yourself when going to the gym, in and out of workouts, and being consistent. So basically, what helps me when I don't feel motivated, like today for example, I don't feel motivated, but I'm right here parked in the parking lot of the gym because I know, you know, it's gonna, I have to remind myself, the more I go, the more results I will see, and I have been getting results. So one thing that I would say is maybe go with a partner, you know, have someone that you schedule with, that you can go, that you can actually rely on to go to the gym, because sometimes it's better and comforting going with someone else versus going by yourself. But also you want to remind yourself not to rely on that person 100%, because you're working out for yourself, not for that person. Your workouts don't make them lose weight or make them have gains. Your workouts does that for yourself, so remember that. So that's one thing you can do to help with motivation. Have a workout buddy that's reliable, or 95% of the time reliable at least. Another thing you can do is make sure you dress comfortably. So when you go to the gym, make sure you dress and wear clothes that you can actually work out in, because there's some people who like to be super cute when they go to the gym, but you don't need to worry about the appearance as much, because you need to be able to do the workouts while you're in the gym and be successful at that. Because if you're not even able to, you know, do a squat without your crack coming out because your leggings are too low cut, honey, then what's the point of you being there? Plus it's uncomfortable for you and people around you watching that, like, honey, or boy or girl, whoever you are, honey, let's get it together. But also what I want to say is you can also be comfortable and cute. Some people really do be flexing at the gym and wearing clothes that look really bomb on them, and of course that's going to motivate people around you, like, dang, I want to like her, or dang, she look cute in her workout outfit. Like, if you look in the mirror and see yourself before you go to the gym and you feel like, okay, I'm cute today, you know that saying, you look good, you do good. That works for some people. If it works for you when it comes to work or school, then it'll definitely work for you when it comes to the gym. So basically dress comfortably and just dress cute so that you can actually feel good while you're working out, because working out is not going to feel good if you're doing it right. If you're actually working out, you're not going to feel good in the process, but you're going to look good, girl. And let's see, another thing that you could do to motivate you more is also, I would say, get a scale if you're a numbers person. If not, if you're a numbers person, get a scale and use that as guidelines to like your weekly or monthly updates to what your body's doing. I would say if you're gonna do that, do not put so much pressure on yourself and on the numbers that you see, because a lot of times you might have weight gain and think, oh my gosh, I've been working out for 2 weeks to a month now, why am I gaining weight? And remember, it could always be muscle that you're gaining. Muscle mass weighs a lot more than fat, so remember that too. Don't psych yourself out because of the numbers you see on the scale. If you're not a numbers person, don't want to look at a scale every time you wake up and be addicted to that, because that can be addictive, honey. I don't use a scale as of now, but I might in the future. I just haven't purchased one yet, honey. The one we have at the house is broken. But what I do to kind of, I'm sorry y'all, I'm sorry that my head is like cut off. Whatever. But what I do when it comes to seeing my milestone or seeing how much I've been able to accomplish is because I do yoga. I noticed that after working out consistently and actually going up in my weight and not using the same weights when I lift weights in the gym, I've become more stronger in my postures. So basically when it comes to poses that I've done where I was like, all my body weight was on my hands, I feel that I can hold myself longer with less of a struggle. Like, I'm not shaking like I used to, I'm not collapsing, like I have more control of my body. So that's what I use to basically help me recognize if I'm stronger or not. There's plenty of ways to do that, especially when you're already working out consistently. You realize certain weights you've been lifting are becoming a little bit lighter and that you don't need to lift that same weight. That's when you know, okay, I've been doing 50 pounds on these triceps, and I'm not sweating anymore, honey. I'm not like you know, if you're like easy peasy doing it, easy breezy beautiful cover girl while lifting the weights, honey, it's time to rack up a little bit more. So another thing you can do to help motivate yourself when it comes to working out is have little celebration moments to when you feel like you lost the weight that you want to lose, build muscle mass, or you feel like you look more slim in the mirror, or whatever that makes you feel like, you know, you're progressing in the form that you want to progress in. I would say definitely celebrate that. And for me, what I do when it comes to celebrating my fitness goals or what I achieve at the gym, like maybe I wasn't able to max out at 80 pounds doing something, but then I was able to max out the next week. So what I would do to celebrate that is continue to eat healthy, because not eating healthy plays a huge part in your health. But I like to have shoots. So I would have like maybe a shoot with my sister or a shoot with family. Like, do something that celebrates how you look without having to make you feel like you're doing too much or spending too much money. I also like to do shoots because you could easily go to someone's park and do a shoot, you know, just take pictures of yourself, celebrate the beauty, celebrate your progress. Or you can pay someone to actually have a photo shoot. And because I do yoga, I recently had a shoot, which was today, with someone who goes to my former college at Boston State University. So things like that motivate me to keep working out, because I see how I look in the pictures. I'm like, dang, I don't look like that in 2018, honey. I did not look like that in 2018. So even though like my progress, I've only been working out consistently like every day or 5 days out of the week, 5 out of 7 days of the week since January, I see difference of my body because of what I've been doing consistently. It makes a difference, if that makes sense. So yes, I hope those things help you to motivate yourself more, and I hope you guys have great workout sessions. I'm right here at the gym right now. I'm about to go in. I don't think I'm gonna record because it's not super packed, but we'll see. I might do some at-home workout examples for you guys, since most people who are having a hard time being motivated are probably people who are actually having a hard time to actually physically go to a gym and make time for it. So yes, also another thing, making time for it, another way to motivate yourself is to make sure you clear your schedule, honey, so you don't have any excuse of why you can't go. Plan it out. Plan when you're gonna go to the gym, just like you wanna plan dates, honey, with bae and boo. Just like you wanna plan going to the club with the girls. Just like you wanna plan eating. Cause you gotta eat, honey. You need to plan on being fit and being healthy by also going to the gym. So make sure you set time. Don't just say, oh, I'm gonna go sometime this week. That's not gonna work. To motivate yourself, you have to actually put it down on paper, in your calendar, in your phone, wherever, somewhere that you can visibly see it, and remind yourself, okay, this is my schedule. I'm gonna go once a week. I'm gonna go 3 times this week because I have it written down, I see it, and I don't have anything else planned during this time. I'm gonna go on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 7 to 8. Okay? You have to actually be specific with your goals. Don't just say, oh, I'm gonna go to the gym. My New Year's resolution, I'm gonna go to the gym. No, that's not concrete. But yes, good luck to you guys, and I might record, like I said, I'll go inside now, and I might record for you guys. So I'm gonna put my glasses up now. Oh, I already have a pair in there. I bought these recently at the mall. At the mall here in Valdosta. Aren't they so cute? I think they're so cute, y'all. My glasses are so cute. They're like turtle, they call it, turtle design on the front frame and the back. And they're like round but not goggle-like.